I think I've fallen for you, and I don't know why. I don't know why. You love that summer rain in mid-July, mid-July.
Hi friends, so I can finally sit down a bit. This morning was so chaotic. I had so many things to do and I woke up so late, so I tried to get ready really fast. Right now I can finally sit down, just opened my Oodie. I need to do some editing. I wanted to spray paint my ring lights and my mic stand also in white because my setup is white. But right now I'm just eating a little like midday snack. I'm gonna be doing some editing, some stuff like that. I have quite a lot of things to do, so
I think I've fallen for you, and I don't know why. I don't know why. You love that summer rain in mid-July, mid-July. I think that we're overdue. You and I, you and I know that we'll make it through. Telling you why, telling you why. Yeah. Summer rain on your tattoo. I know that nobody has you. So is it me you're running back to? I'm not ashamed to say I'm attached to you. Oh no, no, no. Remember those days when we sang those...
I wanted to repaint everything on my setup that was now white. This ring light and my mic stand. I'm gonna like dismount my like mic stand and tripod and everything. We bought some white paint. Let's hope that it goes well. Let's hope I don't like mess everything up because I need it to stream. So yeah, we'll see how it goes.
Walk into the place, a spot you found a ways. My heart, it started racing. The crowd across the way, flowers on your face, and then I'm from the 80s. Someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel farther away. Wait on a moment to say that I want you. You know that I want you. Your sudden gaze and time, it started racing. But moments tend to fade and you're too far away from me to get my name in. Someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel further away. Wait on a moment to say that I want you. You know that I want you. it always goes, ranging from a movie scene to made up people in my dreams. The last time, if I recall, was a feeling of being alone. I don't know